What would be the Pythonic way to find out if a given date belongs to the current week? I have strings in them. %y, %m, %d. Format i.e. 20160511. For today, May 11, 2016. And need to find out programmatically, in Python, if another date, let's say, 20160504 or 20160512. Send as a parameter to the function belong to the current week, current being today. The week started on Sunday, May 8, 2016. Let's assume it's an American way of the week, starting on Sunday, i.e., the first should return false, the second, true. All ideas I came up with comes to calculating the date of that Sunday, and comparing the past as a parameter to it, and then, if the day is in the future, that it's not after the Saturday of the current week, but it doesn't look elegant, or Pythonic, enough.
You can use the isodate method for datetime objects. It will return the current week as an integer, so that you can compare two dates to see if they are part of the same week. Here is a function that would do that for two different dates. To get the current day, use datetime.datetime.today. So, rewriting the above function to do exactly what you're asking.